Everybody, today we'll be doing my first ever model airplane 1 to 400 collection video. This is the autumn 2025 video. Let's get straight into it. The first couple of models here are my passenger wide bodies. We've got an Iranian A330 back there, the butter machine. We've got the King of the Skies Emirates A380. You can't really see back there. Wait, I'm just gonna actually hold you in like a different way. Yeah, like that. See, we have an Avianca 787 Dreamliner right there. And for the cargo wide bodies, we've got an Air Hong Kong Boeing 747 back there. And then if we go back a bit more, we've got the AN225 Maria and an Etihad Cargo 777 freighter. Then for the passenger section, we've got, this is the most crowded section, we've got a Hainan Airlines Boeing 737-800 in the Hainan Free Trade Port livery. We've got a Wower A321. This one obviously doesn't exist anymore. And we've got the Air France Concorde. Then one more back here, we've got an Allegiant A319. I've actually got one more model, which I will include in this airport update. Yep, go up here. You have this BOAC Boeing 747-400. This is in 1 to 250 scale. So this really marks the end of it. There were 11 models in this whole airport update. So see you in the next. Bruh.